Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Vidya. Today's topic is ranks of India in various international indexes. So let's begin. Knight Frank has ranked New Delhi and Mumbai in the 32nd and 36th positions respectively in the Global Prime Residential Index. So you can see here the top 5 cities are Shenzhen, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Vancouver, Seoul, and in the 32nd rank it's Delhi, in 36th Mumbai, and in 40th Bengaluru. Next, India has moved to the third spot on EY's Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index due to its exceptional performance on the solar photovoltaic PV front. US retains top position on the index, followed by China at the second position. So India has moved to the third position, as in the first position it's US, in the second position it's China, and in the third position it's India. Yes. Pune, Maharashtra is ranked first, while Delhi NCR is at the lowest position among 8 major cities in the health infrastructure related parameters, which are the number of hospitals, bed, air, water quality, and sanitization, according to a report by Housing.com. So Pune is in the first, Ahmedabad is in the second, Bengaluru in the third, fourth Mumbai, fifth Hyderabad, sixth Chennai, seventh Kolkata, and eighth Delhi. Next, the Economist Intelligence Unit (EIU) in partnership with Facebook has released the Inclusive Internet Index 2021. India has been ranked on 49th spot globally. And the top 3 countries are Sweden, United States, and Spain. And the headquarters of EIU is in London, UK. The next, India has been ranked at 87th position among 115 countries in the 2021 Energy Transition Index (ETI). This report is published by the World Economic Forum (WEF), prepared in the collaboration with Accenture. And the top was Sweden. The first country was Sweden, the second is Norway, and third is Denmark. The headquarters of WEF are in Cologne, Switzerland. India has been ranked 49th in the Chandler Good Government Index (CGGI), which classifies 104 countries in the terms of government capabilities and outcomes. So the first 5 countries are Finland, Switzerland, Singapore, Netherlands, Denmark. And the last 5 countries are Mali, Mozambique, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Venezuela. India ranked 40 among 53 global economics on the latest annual edition of the International Intellectual Property IP Index, topped by US. The next, India ranks 7th in the Global Climate Risk Index 2021 of the German Watch. The countries and territories affected most in 2019 were Mozambique, Zimbabwe, as well as Bahamas. The next, and the headquarters of German Watch are in Bonn, Germany. India slipped 2 places to the 53rd position in the 2020 Democracy Index global ranking, according to the Economics Intelligence Unit (EIU). The next, India has performed means India has ranked 86th in a coronavirus performing index comprising of 98 countries. According to the performance index completed by the Sydney-based Lowly Institute, New Zealand handled the pandemic more efficiently than any other country in the world, while Brazil sits at the bottom of the list. Means New Zealand was at the first and Brazil was at the last, which as it is of 98 countries means Brazil was in the 90th position. The next, United Nations Environment Program UNEP released the Food Waste Index Report 2021. This report estimates that around 931 million tons of food waste was generated in 2019. And the headquarters of UNEP are in Nairobi, Kenya. Important points of the Food Waste Index Report 2021. 17% of the all food available at consumption level means 11% in the household, 5% in the food service and 2% in the retail was wasted in 2019 and around 690 million people had to go hungry. An estimated 931 million tons of food were wasted globally in 2019. 61% of which came from household, 26% from food service and 13% from retail. 75 kilograms of food was wasted per capita at the household level. 50 kilogram of food is wasted per person each year at household levels in India. Household food waste in India is about 68.7 million tons a year. The next, India ranked 10th out of 11 Asia Pacific countries in the newly launched Health Index to measure the progress towards personalized health care. So, this index consists of 11 countries and India has ranked in the 10th position. The next, the important points of Asia Pacific Personalized Health Index. Singapore was at the top, Taiwan at the second, Japan at the third, Australia at the fourth. So Singapore, Taiwan, Japan and Australia also performed well in overall readiness. Economist Intelligence Unit EIU report means this report is prepared by EIU, which is Economist Intelligence Unit. So EIU's report, Asia Pacific Personalized Health Index, measures the readiness of 11 health systems across the region. So the 11 countries are Australia, China, Japan, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand and New Zealand. World Press Freedom Index 2021 released by the Reporters Without Border RSF and French non-governmental organization has again ranked India at 142nd position out of 180th countries. Means India has ranked 142 among 180 countries. And the headquarters of RSF are in Paris, France. Important points of RSF. Cabinet Secretary is Rajiv Gauba. In the South Asian neighborhood, Nepal is at 106th position, Sri Lanka at 127th position, Myanmar before the COP at 140th position, Pakistan at 145th position and Bangladesh at 152nd position. The latest index released rank 180 countries topped yet again by the Norway followed by Finland and Denmark. Means this index was again topped by Norway, the second is Finland and Denmark is third. While Eritrea is at the bottom, China is ranked 177 and is only above North Korea at 179 and Turkmenistan at 178. Means who is at the bottom most is Eritrea. In 2016, India's rank was 133, which was steadily climbed down to 142 in 2020. Next, India has slipped 28 places to the rank of 140th among 156 countries in the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021, becoming the third worst performer in South Asia. Means India has slipped 28 position. Means India was at before India was at means India was at 112th position and now has slipped 28 places. So the important points of the Global Gender Gap Report 2021. Top 3 countries were Iceland, Finland and Norway. The worst performance was by Afghanistan. Among India's neighbor, Bangladesh ranked 65, Nepal at 106, Pakistan at 153, Afghanistan at 156, Bhutan at 130 and Sri Lanka 116. In South Asia, only Pakistan and Afghanistan ranked below India. India emerged as the third worst performing country in the South Asia. Bangladesh is the best performer in South Asia. India ranked 139th out of 149 countries in the list of UN World Happiness Report 2021. So the important points of this report is issued by the United Nations Sustainable Development Solution Network. Finland topped the list of UN World Happiness Report. Means Finland is at first position. And Finland is followed by Iceland at the second position, Denmark at the third position, Switzerland at the fourth position, the Netherlands at fifth position, Sweden at 6th position, Germany at 7th position and Norway at 8th position. Pakistan is on 105th, Bangladesh is on 101 and China is on 84th. People in Afghanistan are most unhappy with their life, followed by 148th rank was of Zimbabwe and 147th rank of Rwanda, 146th rank of Botswana and 145th rank of Lesotho. This is the 9th World Happiness Report. The annual report measures subjective well-being of relying on the 3 main indicators: life evolution, positive emotions and negative emotions. So thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel GK Vidya and don't forget to like, share and comment.